Some years ago, a text came to go over to Ireland. And I remember thinking about the power in a sent message. Ireland, on this weekend of St. Patrick, is very much the centre of people's attention. What happened on the Emerald Isle is a source of puzzlement. For humanly speaking, the conquest of grace is not humanly explicable, nor is the conquest of ungrace in our time. We are here at the front line of a cosmic battle, and what is working itself out in Ireland is a pretty good indication of what is happening on the level of the world. Satan, once overcome by Christian grace, is ferocious and trying to reclaim what once he had lost. I knew the old Ireland in the 1980s when a novice at Rostrey. Everyone practically went to Holy Mass. What has happened? I wrote these lines sailing out of Holyhead. Hail, Emerald Isle. And I thought not that I would see again the acres green where grace worked well on me. Between storm and storm, between pain and aching pain, where time, its trace in trodden history, left evermore. These gentle eyes, as blue as this deep sea, bid once goodbye and bid me come again, cross these same skies by dint of engines technic madly high. Oh, Erin, come to view and call me home to simple things, to warmth made not of woe. Alas, the day that dawned and bid me roam from goodness of a kind few kindreds know. Alas, alas, we travel hurriedly, or moments offered once, and bid not be. In the Mourne Mountains, one looks towards Down, long since renamed Down Patrick. His body was discovered there in the 1100s. Tradition has it that he is buried with St. Bridget and St. Columkill. St. Patrick St. Columcille, St. Bridget, pray for us and bring back the flame of the strong Irish faith that actually enkindled the world.